followers, my audience, my people, my brothers and sisters, my community. Thank you very much for providing me eternal support, your respect, your loyalty, your patience. It's greatly appreciated from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for following. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for spreading the word. Thank you for giving me likes. Thank you for standing behind my back every time as usual, giving back to the community the best way I can. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I want to share another lucrative way of earning without paying out of your pockets. My CoinMarketCap Diamonds. Collect CoinMarketCap Diamonds and redeem them for exclusive reward and special offers. What kind of reward and special offers? That's a really good question, but we're gonna get there now. Another way that you can actually invite friends, earn rewards together. Invite your friend to join, and you will both get 20 diamonds as soon as they accumulate 100 diamonds. Now we have collect your diamonds every day. Log in 7 days in a row, and your rewards will grow. This is a way of winning. You log in 7 days in a row, and your reward will grow. Look at that. Day one. Day one, you get 10 diamonds. Day two, you get another 10 diamonds. Day three, 10 diamonds. Day four, 20 diamonds. Day five, 20 diamonds. Day six, 20 diamonds. Day seven, 50 diamonds. That's crazy, right? So you that easy you win. Look at the daily task. Join an airdrop and get 10 diamonds. Join an airdrop every day and get 10 diamonds. Place price estimate on 3 coins and get 10 diamonds. Oh gosh. Collect more diamonds by completing task. Predict and get 10 diamonds. Like make up 3 predictions for which countries will make crypto legal tender next and get 10 diamonds. Predict and get 10 diamonds. If one of your predictions is correct, you will get 50 extra diamonds. Oh, that's crazy. Joining the referral program. Invite friends to register and get diamonds reward together. Okay? And you can go to the boat page, log in to complete. This is the way it goes, right? So now, what are CoinMarketCap diamonds? Let's go here. CoinMarketCap launches loyalty program. CoinMarketCap is launching a loyalty reward program for our users. Learn more about CoinMarketCap Diamonds. It's the same team I'm trying to build with you, with all of you in here. Right here. How to earn CoinMarketCap Diamonds. In order to start collecting CoinMarketCap Diamonds, you need to have a CoinMarketCap account. Just that easy. You can start earning diamonds by visiting CoinMarketCap every day, and soon you will be able to earn diamonds by interacting with different CoinMarketCap features. Down below in my video description, I'm gonna give you the page that you can use to create your CoinMarketCap account, and in that link you can actually do so without any problems. Okay. Alright, this is the output that you had before that I was showing you. Put me here so you see it well. Okay. How to spend CoinMarketCap diamonds. Once you have accumulated some CoinMarketCap diamonds, you'll be able to spend them in the future at our CoinMarketCap Diamonds reward store on items like CoinMarketCap Merc, NFT, and more. You see what I saw? NFTs and more. and wonder what else. Our CoinMarketCap Diamonds program is just getting started. Check back to see what others way you can actually earn and spend your diamonds in the future. Okay. Okay. Um, there was something else I wanted to show you. Um, collect your diamonds. No. Um, okay, you clicking here to create your own account, but I wanted to show you something else. Right here, diamonds rewards. Choose from the rewards below to redeem your CoinMarketCap diamonds. If your crypto project wants to list a reward, you click here. Now you see some of these um, gift cards. Some prices are for 1,500, other one 5,000. I mean, it depends, but this is what it costs to have, and many of them are all sold out. Loading more on this unique ones. Okay, that's the one that and the diamond leaderboard, which is are the people who has accumulated bad diamonds violence the most. So you are not alone into this, ladies and gentlemen. You are not alone. Okay. Um. Yes. All right. These are the videos of use CoinMarketCap daily to earn, but it's actually watching YouTube. I'm sorry, I don't wanna actually provide you any play any here because I am certain that I'm gonna be hit by copyright, and why go through that headache of people breathing on your neck, because you got hit without copyright, and then you gotta actually settle, and deal with them in a different way. If there were no damages, of course, still very uncomfortable that situation. But it is what it is, and you gotta we gotta abide by the rules. Even though I don't like it, it's the way it goes. So, um, you see here, I show you those three in there. So, and these are the way that you can actually go and earn some. Go to both page. Oh, see, country which allow cryptocurrencies as a legal tender. Country with crypto as a legal tender, we have the Central African Republic and El Salvador. Oh, I thought there were even more. It's good to know though. Predict next country region. Predict the country region you think will be the next to make crypto legal. You have up to 3 votes. Ooh. You tell me, what would you like to be legal? Okay. You got time now to watch, but I gotta let you know where the votes are actually going through. People are voting for United States. I don't think that that's gonna happen here, but it's their thought, and we gotta respect that. All right. Yes. All right. I just wanted to show you all that. I'm gonna leave it up to this point. I just wanted to share with you that CoinMarketCap Diamonds, you can collect in order to buy things that you like, and it's for free. Have a wonderful day. Gonna leave it up to this point. I'm gonna leave the URL down below maybe the video description so you can come and check it out on your own. I think you're gonna be fine. And let me know if you participate on this. I mean, how did it go? How the professor is? How's everything? Okay, person that call you, I mean everything.